If you want to know exactly how much time is being spent on your projects, ProofHub includes built-in time tracking tools to help you monitor productivity and manage workloads. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to track time in ProofHub step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your ProofHub account and open the project where you want to track time. Once you're inside the project, navigate to the Time section or open a task that supports time tracking. Next, locate the time tracking feature. Depending on your workspace, you can either start a timer for an active task or manually log the time you've already spent working. If you're beginning work, click the Start Timer button. The timer will begin counting automatically while you work on the selected task. When you finish working or need to take a break, simply pause or stop the timer. ProofHub will record the total time spent on that task. If you've already completed work without using the timer, select the option to log time manually. Enter the number of hours and minutes, along with an optional note describing the work you completed. After saving your entry, you can review all recorded time for the project or individual tasks. This makes it easy to monitor productivity and track project progress. If your workspace includes reporting features, you can view time reports to see how much time was spent by each team member or on each project. These reports are useful for planning, billing, and performance reviews. For the most accurate records, start your timer when you begin working, stop it as soon as you're finished, and review your logged hours regularly to make sure everything is correct. And that's how to track time in ProofHub. Yeah, using the built-in timer and time logs helps you stay organized, monitor productivity, and better understand how your team spends its time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.